Hello, everybody. Today we're going to learn to log into Canvas. Canvas is an online platform that Santa Rosa Junior College uses. That's where most of the online classes are taking place. That is where your Counseling 270 class will take place. So let's start. Open up a browser and then type in santarosa.edu. Once we're taken to the web page, you will notice that at the top right, when you hover over login, if you scroll down to where it says Canvas, we're going to want to click on Canvas. It's the second choice down. Then we're going to be taken to a login field. We're going to need our 9-digit student ID number and our password. If you do not know either or need help getting one or both of them, there is another video where I show you how to do that. But for the sake of this example, if you know your 9-digit student ID number and password, I'm going to go ahead and type it in. And if this is your first time logging into Canvas, there's typically a little box that shows up before this page, and it asks you to accept the terms and conditions. Please go ahead and check the box to accept the terms and conditions, and then the next page will take you here. Currently, there's nothing that's shown under my dashboard because I'm not enrolled in Counseling 270 or other courses, so nothing shows up here. But this is where you will be able to see your courses, all the ones that you're enrolled in, and of course the Counseling 270 course, and then you'll be able to access all the work that you have to do and complete any projects that you might have pending. As always, you can customize your page, add a profile picture if you'd like, or you can log out when you're done with your work. These classes are typically a week long, so please check your Canvas accounts as frequently as you can. And that concludes the video. If you have any other questions, you could always please email me at ecarreno@santarosa.edu. Again, that is ecarreno@santarosa.edu. Thank you.